Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to Nature's Paradise, a premier building lot on VanBuskirk Road in Newfield, New York.
Build your dream country home on over 13 acres with a scenic hilltop setting.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy the country lifestyle with over 13 acres and million-dollar views of the rolling hills in the countryside. We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. How about an elegant owner's suite with a tray ceiling? The possibilities are endless.
Nearby this property is the charming city of Ithaca and Cayuga Lake in the heart of the Finger Lakes region. For anyone who appreciates history and being by the lake, this is the perfect place for you.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of this premier building lot on VanBuskirk Road in Newfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!